At the beginning of the week, I showed you guys an accent pattern that I'd learned years ago from the great Ralph Humphrey. It was a really simple pattern. It was straight 16th notes, but the accents were on 1 and the upbeat of 1, 3 and the upbeat of 3. Now I'm going to demonstrate the same pattern here, but I'm going to use what Ralph Humphrey and Joe Picaro referred to as a group 1 sticking. Now what a group 1 sticking is, if I break it down here, is we throw the first accent, a molar whip, let the stick come up, followed by a double stroke and another accent with the wrist. So that is 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and. Now that puts us back in right hand lead. I put that around a quarter note pulse, not allowing the hi-hat to follow the pattern, but to hold on to the quarter note pulse. Sounds like this. This lends itself fantastic to drum fills or drum solo ideas. If you have any questions about this or anything drum related, I would love to help you out. Hit me up at bartrobley.com.